Pitta Prakriti. Pitta, if we remember, it comes from fire. So these people have a fiery nature. They are usually made of medium built, medium muscular body with a lot of energy, just like the fire. They are fast, they like to work fast and think fast, very logical and enterprising, very analytical. They like to question and they like perfection around them. It's difficult for them to tolerate something that is less than perfect within themselves or outside of them. So they do put a high pressure on themselves and probably on people around them in order to achieve and maintain a state of perfection. They are highly intelligent and confident and enterprising, very motivated and disciplined, quite determined to do and to finish a work. They have extreme self-control. They like to go into depth of one thing and try to do it perfectly. By nature, they are joyous, quite extrovert, and generous and helpful. And they like things of beauty, external beauty, like perfumes. They like to decorate their houses nicely. And they like perfection in everything. They can become proud and arrogant, quite easily angry and aggressive, and irritated if things don't go their way. If Pitta goes out of balance, then they might start developing rashes on the body, or acne, or heartburn, or ulcers. These are all signs that there is a lot of acid secretion in the body. And for Pitta, it's very common to have extra acid secretion if they start pressurizing themselves too much under a state of stress, or if they start eating food that increases more Pitta. These people usually have a tendency to get premature grey hair or early balding. They can develop poor eyesight and also get some heart attacks, which is usually related to stress. They have a habit of self-criticism and also can easily criticize others. And like I said, they put a lot of pressure upon themselves, which can ultimately lead to stress and heart problems. They can help themselves by managing the Pitta in a way by doing things moderately. They have a tendency to exaggerate and to put a lot of pressure upon themselves to achieve a state of perfection, which may not always be possible in the practical world. So as long as they are able to maintain a state of moderation and are able to rest as much as they work and not to push themselves too much, they are the ones that usually have a very good health and a good long life.